Have you ever seen a crow and just dismissed it as another common bird? What if I told you that you were looking at one of the most intelligent, cunning, and surprisingly human-like minds in the entire animal kingdom? Get ready. Because today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of crows. And you'll never look at them the same way again. Picture this: a crow picks up a walnut, flies over a busy street, and drops it right in the path of an oncoming car. After the car passes, the crow swoops down to collect the perfectly cracked nut. This isn't a one-off fluke, it's a calculated strategy. Crows have learned to use our world, our technology, our cars, as their personal nutcrackers. This incredible ability to use tools is just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to their genius. But what really sets crows apart is their brain power. Their brains, relative to their body size, are massive, comparable to those of chimpanzees and even humans. This isn't just for show. This brain power allows them to solve complex multi-step puzzles that would stump many other animals. In one famous experiment, a crow had to use a short stick to get a longer stick, which it then used to retrieve a piece of food from a tube. This is a level of planning and foresight that scientists once thought was exclusive to primates. They can think ahead, they can strategize, and they can execute a plan. And their intelligence isn't just about puzzles and tools, it's deeply social. Crows have an uncanny ability to remember human faces. If you're kind to a crow, it will remember you. If you're a threat, it will not only remember you but also teach its entire family and social group to be wary of you. Researchers at the University of Washington conducted a famous study where they wore specific masks while trapping and banding crows. 4 years afterward, whenever anyone wore that mask on campus, crows would mob them, scolding and dive-bombing them. They didn't just remember the face. They passed that information on, a form of cultural transmission. This social memory extends to their own kind as well. When a crow dies, you might notice other crows gathering around. This isn't just morbid curiosity, it's a crow funeral. They gather to investigate the cause of death, to learn about potential dangers in the area. They're trying to figure out what happened so they can avoid the same fate. It's a somber, intelligent gathering, showing a level of social awareness that is truly astounding. Let's talk about their sneaky side, because it's brilliant. Crows are masters of deception. They often hide their food for later, a behavior called caching, but they're also smart enough to know that other crows might be watching, waiting to steal their stash. So, what do? They pretend to hide their food in one spot while another crow is watching, but they secretly keep the food in their throat pouch. Then, when the coast is clear, they fly off to a completely different, truly secret hiding place. They are literally running a misdirection play, anticipating the thoughts and intentions of another individual. This requires a theory of mind, the ability to understand that others have their own perspectives and intentions, which is a highly advanced cognitive skill. Their communication is another area of incredible complexity. It's not just caw-caw. Crows have a sophisticated language of different calls, clicks, and rattles to communicate a wide range of information, from warnings about predators to the location of food. Different dialects have even been observed in different regions. Much like human accents and languages, they are constantly talking, sharing information, and coordinating their actions. From holding grudges and giving gifts to solving complex problems and using traffic to their advantage, crows are constantly challenging our definitions of intelligence. They are not just birds. They are feathered Einsteins, living right in our own backyards and city parks. They are a constant, living reminder that intelligence takes many forms, and that the world around us is filled with more wonder and complexity than we can possibly imagine. So, the next time you see a crow, take a moment, watch what it's doing. You might be witnessing a complex social interaction, a clever problem being solved, or even a bit of feathered trickery. You're not just looking at a bird, you're looking at a mind at work. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey into the mind of the crow. If you found this as fascinating as I do, please hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into the wonders of the natural world. Let me know in the comments if you've ever had a personal experience with a clever crow. Until next time, stay curious.